In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about delegation of control in the Windows Server 2008 and Active Directory. This is based on Active Directory, and delegation of control means you have a special permission to view a lot many things, and also you can authenticate a particular OU. You can authenticate a particular user group and users to become some uh, admins of the particular OU, or you can give a permission, special permissions of that OU. For example, goes to our Active Directory users and computers. Currently, we have a special G per group, a special group named as special G. So now once this office or sales group, I want a special G user modify something of the sales. I just wants to give a permission to moderate the sales OU. When you to right click and you find the first option is delegate control. Get the command welcome to delegation control wizard. This wizard helps you to delegate the control of Active Directory objects. You can grant users permission to manage users group computer organizational unit. It means you basically making particular users and group a volunteer of the OU. Goes to next and let's to add the group. So for example, okay, so wants to volunteer wants this group to volunteer sales OU. Just next. Now delegate the following common text task: create, delete, and manage users' computers, reset user password and force password change at the next logon, read all information, user information, modify the membership of the group, manage group plus links, create, delete, and manage groups, generate result and set a policy. So a lot many things are there. So for example, a particular OU restricted some rights from domain users, then this authentication will help to recoup the permission to break the permission and beyond the permission, beyond the restriction, we can use and then form a class. For example, a domain user, a sales domain user restricted his account profile, restricted his information. So we just made a volunteer say that special G. So that special G user will able to read all user information based on sales group. So either you create a restriction or not, you will be taken care of that group users. Just next and finish. So now the special G are able to whatever permission you give, able to configure or able to read or able to work according to the permission that particular user group got. Goes to sales group and right click properties. You find currently you have three options only. When you to view and advanced features, we found a lot many features are now available, and Even if you goes to sales properties, then you got the security option, and a security option is a special G, advanced option, and then you can see special, and you can see read all properties. You can even modify changes here from here, change password, reset password. You can modify the permissions from here also. But currently it's visual that this usually will be able to read all properties. You can even set the denial from here. So this is what the delegation tool is, and we learn how to saw the details features of Active Directory. We just made a volunteer of we just made a volunteer to a group, user group of OU. Hope you learned something from it. Thanks for watching.